Todo bien, señora, ¿cómo estás? Hola. ¿Tú tienes piso prolol? Piso prolol?
No.
No. Okay. Look, guys, the lady is just selling the pharmacy, the pills, medicine, just directly in the street from the big bowl, like vegetables. It's so funny. Right now we are in Honduras, Central America. Another pharmacy just directly on the street. Very risky place to buy pills, I would say, and to travel. One of the most dangerous countries to travel in Central America right now. It is Honduras. Uh, Pretty funny, cool, but very risky and suspicious. Hola, amigo. ¿Qué tal? ¿Todo bien? Look, this guy likes Spider-Man. Most interesting to be continued. Here's the markets, a lot of markets, bazaars, because right now we are heading in direction city center. Here is like a most cheap market in Central America. It has a name, Dispensa Familiar. Dispensa Familiar. Supermarket. Cheapest. Hola, amigo. ¿Qué tal? But the people are very friendly, helpful, smiling, positive. They are open, not hospitable, not not really trustworthy, but easy to communicate, very easy to approach. Most interesting to be continued, guys. Right now we are in Central America. Be happy. Most interesting to be continued. Thank you for watching. See you at the end of the war. Hello from Honduras.